Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate a tumbler using stickers and seal it in with resin so that it is super shiny and durable. One of the high school students in the youth group I volunteer with at my church is moving away, unfortunately, so I made this tumbler as a goodbye gift for her. With the infinite sticker options that are available, you can use this technique to make the perfect gift for anyone and everyone. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with this white stainless steel tumbler I bought at Michael's. I wiped the tumbler with some rubbing alcohol to remove any dust, dirt, or oil that could be on the surface before applying the stickers. I ordered a couple different packs of stickers, one that has a bunch of bohemian designs, and one pack of Christian stickers that have some Bible verses, quotes, and affirmations. The nice thing about packs of stickers like this is that they often all have the same sort of vibe or color palette and look really nice together. I thought both of these packs would go well together since they have the same sort of style and colors. I sorted through my stickers and chose the ones that I for sure wanted to include on the cup and set aside the ones that I didn't. Then I arranged the stickers flat on the table to figure out where I wanted to place everything. I'm going for a scrapbook or bullet journal sort of look where it's kind of chaotic and things are overlapping, but the placement is still strategic and everything looks really nice. I'm putting a layer of the stickers with more abstract designs on the cup first as a background. I placed them close together and some overlap a bit so that there wouldn't be much empty white space left on the cup. Then I applied the stickers with the text on top, filling in as many of the white gaps as possible, but making sure not to overlap or cover any of the text. I made an effort to spread out the different sizes and colors so that nothing too similar would be side by side. But again, with packs of stickers like this, you can place them pretty much anywhere and they will all look nice together. Once I had all of my stickers placed on the cup, I applied some UV resin to seal in the stickers and make the cup super shiny and durable. You could also use 2-part resin for this. I just prefer UV resin because it cures really quickly. I spread the resin all over the cup with a gloved hand and then cured the resin for a few minutes with a UV lamp. Because the stickers overlap, there are some areas where the edges of the stickers are raised up and I could feel them poking out. So I sanded the entire cup with sandpaper to even out the texture and remove any sharp bits that were sticking out. If you've never done this with resin, don't panic. It will scratch the entire cup and look awful. But once you wipe it with rubbing alcohol to remove the dust, you can apply another layer of resin and it will fill in all the scratches and look good as new. Once you're done with your layers of resin, you will likely have some drips that have overlapped onto the inside of the rim of the cup. This can be carefully removed with a craft knife or a box cutter. It's very easy and satisfying to just pick at it and peel it up with your fingers, but do not do that. If you peel the resin with your fingers, you will lift the resin up and away from the cup, even on the parts where you want it to stay. You'll create an opening that will allow water underneath it when you wash it, and it will not be properly sealed anymore. So it's really important to use a sharp blade to do this so that the rest of the resin will stay properly sealed in. And here is the final result. I love how this turned out. It has exactly the look I was going for, and I think all of the stickers look so cute. And with a couple layers of resin, it has a completely smooth finish. You can't feel the edges of the stickers at all, and they're totally protected and durable, even if the stickers you use aren't heavy duty. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later.